Hi guys, got another product. This is actually a RF blocker for your keys. So if your keys are nearby, like my Harley, it's keyless, so it's if it's close, you could start the bike without it. Yeah, as long as you're, a few meters away. So this is an RF blocker. It's a little pouch. You can see you add your other keys to it. So I'm going to show you on how my bike does, how it all works actually. So your key part is inside. So that's your key part from my Harley. That's the that is the key. So you have to do this. It's hard to do one-handed actually. So let me just sit down and I can probably push it down there. So with this pouch, it's called Arclit. Alright, or Arclit. Arclit, I think it is. Got it off of Amazon. I think they all work basically the same, but you've got two sides. So this side, there's this part here, yeah, like a little pocket behind, and then the one in front. It must be in this one behind it. If it's not in that one, you can still start it if it's in the front one. I suppose you could use your cards or put your cards in there or something, whatever. But yeah, it's a good little product. So I was really amazed that it actually stops the blocks them and everything. So let's go out and try it in the thing and I'll show you how it works. So I'll leave it out for a minute. Let's go out to the garage and see. So I'm in my shed. It's a bit dark. Let's see if it open one of these doors. See whether that makes any difference. Oh, it's a bit better, but not great. So the key's out at the moment. You haven't got any. The key's out at the moment, so it will start, as you can see. So you can start it, put it back in the pouch, and it'll be fine as long as as long as you eventually start it. So let's turn it off. I'm going to put it back in the pouch on the right side that you need. Like this, so you can see that it's going in that side of the pouch. Push it down, even when it's like that, with the top open like that, and I pressed ignition, nothing, absolutely nothing. Doesn't matter how close the bike is to the bike, nothing, absolutely nothing. So it's a good product. I've heard people say, oh, they don't work and all that, but I think they've been putting it in the wrong side. But that's how they work basically. And I suppose you could just put it in your pocket. It's no bigger than I'll get it in my trouser pocket, it's fine. So thanks for watching anyway. Like and subscribe. I've got some more bits. I'm going to do this phone mount I have on my bike. One of them. It's a quad lock, really easy to fit onto a few bits and pieces. I haven't yet actually taken it for a drive, but it seems really sturdy, so I'll do a little video on that later. Catch you later.